What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla. I am back with another video. In today's video, it's gonna be a little unboxing. Okay, my package came from Amazon. I already know what it is. It's the Aztec. It's the Aztec clay mask. I have been dying to try this. So yeah, we finna try it. Well, we're not finna try it. I'm unboxing it, actually. I don't have any scissors around me, so I can't open it. You know what? Look. Hold on. Wait a minute, let me see something. Boom. Okay, so here is the... So this is Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay Mask, world's most powerful facial deep pore cleansing natural calcium bentonite clay mask. Okay, ingredients: natural calcium bentonite, green clay, new version, 2 clay, custom shrink wrap, and non-tear calcium clay security stickers to protect the product during shipping, laser printed lock number. Okay, safety warning: do not leave clay on skin longer than 5 to 10 minutes for delicate skin, as this may cause redness or drying. Slight redness of skin normal and will disappear in about 30 minutes. Please conduct a forearm skin patch test prior to facial use to test for allergic reaction. Sun dried, no fragrance, animal testing, no animal product, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And if you want to use this mask, you have to pair it with apple cider vinegar to get the best results. Let's see. Okay. Oh, hold on. This is what it looks like, y'all. Okay, I pay in I paid $20 for this on Amazon. It's available at Target and Walmart. I didn't know that before I ordered it on Amazon. I probably should have looked. But I paid $20 for this on Amazon. It's $12 on Amazon. But you know, you gotta pay the shipping and other stuff like that. So this is how many ounces? 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 It doesn't say. It doesn't say, but this is a pretty good amount of product. In other stores, it is $7 to $9, but on Amazon it was $12 plus $20 for that shipping, which is still like blowing my mind. So I'm going to be doing 2 videos on this. I'm going to do a face mask video, and then I'm going to do a hair mask video because I want my curls to be popping. So we gonna see if we can get this face together, baby. Like, I don't understand. I usually, whenever I break out, I usually only get like 1 pimple, but it's like real noticeable. Like, as you can see, it's right here. I usually only get 1 pimple, but it's like real noticeable, and it hurts. Like, I don't understand. So we're gonna see if we can take care of this probably tomorrow or the next day, but there will be some videos on this. I will be doing a face fit mask video and a hair video, or should I do them at the same time? Do y'all want 1 whole video or 2? Y'all need to let me know in the comment section below, because I got y'all. Okay, and what you need to use with this is apple cider vinegar, and I got me some apple cider vinegar. So yeah, y'all, that was it for this video. This is just a little unboxing video, and I wanted to show y'all what I got, which was the Aztec clay mask. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that. Be sure to stay tuned for the videos on this mask, and just stay tuned for my videos, period, because I be telling the truth on my products. Like, I like what I like. If I don't like it, I'm gonna tell you I don't like it. You understand me? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure your post notifications are on. That way you're notified. That way you're notified when I upload another video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. That's where you can DM me and talk to me. My Instagram is the same as my YouTube channel, Kyla Latrice. So if you type in Kyla Latrice on Instagram, you gonna see me. I'm gonna pop up. Yeah, I think that's it, y'all. Bye.